So here we are, it is Sunday morning and we have just had a very heavy parcel delivered. So I've got the post-it note there obviously to cover up my address, but let's see what's inside. It's got fragile stickers all over it, so I'm not sure what we are going to find inside. It's always fun this time of year to see what we're going to receive in the post. And of course it's always very difficult to open any sort of parcel one-handed. But let's give it a try. So, I know it's not from Amazon, so let's see what we've got. Well, it's been wrapped up well, so if the product inside is as good as the wrapping, we're going to be looking forward to this. Ha ha ha! Dean of the Dead presents deanofthedead.com sources. As featured on the Pumpkin podcast, what have I got here? Now this is what I call a good gift pack. Let's have a look. Wow, individually wrapped. So we have Parascoville Activity. God, loads in there. Jeepers Reapers. The infamous Exorcist. Now, if you've seen the Pumpkin podcast, that is the sauce that just about kills everybody off, but I seem to enjoy. Texas Chainsaw Massacre, or Mascara. A Nightmare on Elm Street. Oh, this one's a nice green. What's this? And this is sauce. So there you go. We now have our own set of Dean of the Dead hot sauces. Look out for us trying them out later, but we just want to thank Dean of the Dead for these incredible sauces. We were so impressed with them when we did them a couple of weeks ago. We mentioned that we liked them, and the wonderful Dean of the Dead have sent us these. So don't forget, Dean of the Dead will be at ScareCon next year, and we may well have, it's going to be an exclusive, we may well have a new hot sauce flavour just for ScareCon. So with that, we're going to say thank you to Dean, and I'm going to go and find some crackers, and I'm going to break open these hot sauces.